Right then, so you joined me back in my kitchen today, guys. And I thought, why everyone's skint right now? Let's do a bit of a cost of living cheapo box. So I've been to Lidl. So this is it. This is what you get. Whatnot, reduced but still fresh. £2 I paid for this entire box. It is absolutely crazy. I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I just bought this for myself and I could not believe the value that was inside it. It is unbelievable, guys. Just thought I'd include this clip of me in the shop. This is what the other boxes in the shop contained. So any doubters out there thinking I've rearranged this myself, no, this is what it is. As you can see, I'm in Lidl now. So first of all, we've got the Karili Paprika Pack. Now everything in this box is going out of date apparently, or close to, but isn't. It's still safe to eat. So we've got that. I can see that one of them is going a bit odd colour. Okay. So then we've got a bag of coriander. We've also got another bag of coriander and another bag of coriander. So we've got 3 bags of coriander. We've also got a bag full of finger chilies. I can't see anything wrong with these. Oh, one there's gone a little bit brown, but absolutely fine then. So then we got, I think is this radish? Oh, that beetroot, sorry? Oh, I don't know. I think it's beetroot, actually. Yeah, we'll have to check on that. I'm no good at veg, clearly. And then we've got, oh yeah, some more radish. So I think that's beetroot and that's radish. And then, I can't believe how much stuff we've got in here. So we've got, if you're American, this is eggplant, but it's aubergine here. So these are on the turn slightly, but these will be okay if we use them quickly. That one's alright. As is that one. So, 4 aubergine. Lemons, right? We've got 3 massive lemons. And these are the expensive ones. These are the speciality ones that you pay extra for. Not the cheapos. So, they're really good. We've got 2 sweet red peppers, deluxe range. Absolutely massive, them. 3 random sized onions. I don't know what's going on there. They're not large, that's why they're in this packet. So I've got a really small one and a medium, but there's nothing wrong with them, they'll be fine for weeks. So then we've got mangoes. 2 mangoes. Yeah. They're fine, they're not even ripe yet. They're perfect. So we've also got 3 random tomatoes. Now one of them's, yeah, I'd say one of them's near enough gone. We could make that into a soup maybe. But, yeah, that's all. Not the best. So then we've got a split bag of easy peeler oranges. So 4 random oranges. Someone's obviously opened the bag. Best of all, we've got a full pack of garlic. Yeah? This makes everything taste better. And the reason I got this, it's my favourite Driscoll's blackberries. Now, someone squished one of them, but this is the bigger pack. I'm pretty sure these are £3 a pack. So, you know, I've done all right with that. And then I've got a pack of blueberries as well. So that's everything out of this box. It is crazy. So let's put all this back in and work out what we can actually do with it. I think we've got some really good hearty meals here. I'm missing a staple and I'm missing something like potato or rice. But I've got that already. Spent £2 on this entire box. This is going to do me for an entire week. With all the extras that I normally put into a meal that cost you. Potatoes and rice are really cheap. This isn't. Right, so I don't pretend to be a chef. I'm just a cook at best. So I haven't really got a clue what I'm going to do with this. And I'm never any good at making recipes. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to chuck it into ChatGPT and just see if it comes up with any suggestions for any meals. Obviously, I'm going to add a staple in there, so that's going to be some sort of potato or rice or something similar. But at the end of the day, guys, I've only spent £2. So if I spent another £5 for the week, absolutely brilliant. I could eat easily for £1 a day. Easily. And eat well as well. Look at all this I've got. So you're going to have to ignore the surroundings. I'm currently having building work done. I'm still having it decorated, actually in my decorating stuff today. So it is what it is. So let me know in the comments below what you think. What do you think I should do with this? And you know what? This is a completely unplanned video. I've just been and done my shopping at Lidl, and I thought, why not show everyone? This is crazy good value. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you do with it. Until the next one.